welcome to the Can Kids, and today we're going to be opening
Barbie ball.
So we're going to be opening this Paw Patrol Chase car. So let's get started.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we've got Chase,
Da, 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 da.
Chocolata, Chase, and the car, and like a bunch of other accessories. So let's get started. So we'll open it with our scissors. We'll just open it here. Haman loves Paw Patrol, so when he seen this, he knew that he had to make a video on YouTube. So, open this. Comment down below your favourite Paw Patrol character.
Yeah.
Who's yours, Haman? Who's your favourite character?
Chase.
Chase. Oh. This is a bit all over the place. Oh, you okay? So,
Chase.
that's very big. So, we'll just get that. So, let's get that. So at the back you need to twist these for the car to come out. So we'll just twist it that way. Other way, Mum. There we go. And then we'll twist it that way. So we've got the car.
Oh my God.
You can hold it. And we'll put this out.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. So, okay, for a minute. So, got the armor. I'll take them out. So, we've got Chase. Oh, yeah, I think you put this on. Yes. So, this is the car. So, I think it goes that way. So that's the car. And we've got some, I think you put them there, and then you put this one here, I'm pretty sure. Like that. Oh my God. So then you push, so when you push it down, it's like that. And then when you push it up, it comes into a big car. So you can put Chocolata in the basket. I think you put that here. And then this, I think, just goes in the back or something. I think it goes right there. And that is it. You like it?
Yeah.
Do you push it down?
No.
No?
No.
So Amma likes it like this.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Aman, I think you put it here. It gets held there. And then we put them over here at the back. And then you press the button and...
No.
Oh, you put it in that way? Oh, there's a button, I'm pretty sure. Oh, you put it in like that and then it goes shooting.
Me too.
Yeah?
Me
So,
too.
you want to do it?
Yeah.
So, put it this way.
No.
Then? Oh, in here. Then you press the button. Okay. So that's it from us. Make sure to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you next time. So bye. Bye.